Alright, we're making a final film. The Charger is now 100% done. I'm going to show off some of the final stuff we've done. The interior is 99% done. Got these done last summer. It's got the original seats in it. Headliner going. $63,000 actual miles. We got it pretty cleaned. All right, feels good to have it done. And again, we got the plate. Ben Jones himself signed it. Cooter, thank you for signing our General. I've heard some complaints that it's actually too clean for a General. We've got everything pretty dialed in now. LA 340 4-barrel. I was told this came with the car. It's got the stamp on the block and on the outside, but some people have said no. There's no way that came with the car. So there's some debate. So there's also been some debate that it's a 318, but it clearly, my Mopar buddy said, has got the markings also inside the spark plug area. It's embossed that it's a 340. It's been a lot of fun. Like I said, it's 99.99% done. Never going to be 100. Show the final thing is the trunk, because the trunks. You got to check out your trunks on your Mopar. We even armor-alled in here. The spare tire. We got to check your chargers. A lot of times they don't come with this. This is the original taillight cover. Might be a little excessive on the armor-all there. Thanks for checking out the final video. Those are fun.